Gotta love how people drive. You're not driving a humongous truck, man. You don't have to do that. You can just go in the direction you want to go. I guess they don't teach that in driving school anymore. It's probably like, they learn how to drive in animation when you do the sort of the recoil. You want to exaggerate all the movements, so you go, if you want to go right, you go left first and then right. Come on, don't learn your driving skills from, what was that book? I can't remember now. Something of life. Anyway. One of those crazy things you study as a kid and you think that's going to be a decent career. Come on, it's the art field. Nobody gets paid. Everybody works, nobody gets paid. Let's go! Come on, people! People of Irvine, there's a thing called accelerator. And sometimes you press on it to go fast.
In a quarter mile, take a Jamboree Road ramp.
Faster than 2 miles an hour on the highway. Yeah. It'd be nice. Else you could always decide to step out of the vehicle and push. What do you need a motor for? You're going to do 2 miles an hour. Am I going left here? Come on, tell me the instructions.
Take the ramp, then keep left at the fork.
Okay. Oh, keep left?
Keep left at the fork.
Wait.
In 1.5 miles, take the Park Avenue exit toward Warner Avenue.
I'm confused, Google. I think I did it right. I'd rather go ramping. Don't scratch that. Don't send me on ramping. I want to get home with a fully functional vehicle. Maybe send me an RC car to test that. We'll go ramping with that. Hint, WL Toys or whoever. Arma, come on. Traxxas, come on, send me a vehicle to review. I will ramp it to your heart's content and show how amazing the vehicle is. And else, any other car company like